Good morning, students. This is lesson number 1 for our Phonics and Language 2 work pages. Okay, so just follow along with me. You need to have your lesson number 1 sheet that looks like this. It has a number 1 down at the bottom. It has some pictures on the top. You need to have that and a pencil. Get those things ready and pause the video and come back when you are ready. Okay, so if you're ready to begin lesson number 1, look at your paper at number 1. It says, mark the circle under the vowel sound you hear in each word. So looking at the first one, that picture is a rock. What is the vowel sound you hear? Ah, ah, ah. You should mark the circle now. You should have marked the circle for the ostrich, O. Moving on to the next picture, chick, ch-ick, chick. Mark the vowel sound you hear, which should be inchworm, I. Moving on, bus, us, bus. You hear, mark the vowel you hear. You hear umbrella. The next picture is a what? A map. Map. App. What do you hear? You hear apple. A. On the next row, nut. Umbrella. You should have marked U. Now do the next 3. We're going to do the next 3 very quickly. Fan. Mark your answer. L. Moth. Off. Moth. Okay? Underneath the fan, you should have marked A. Underneath the bell, you should have marked E. And underneath the moth, you should have marked the O. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, looking at number 2. Circle the picture that does not belong. Look carefully at those instructions. Circle the picture that does not belong. So looking at the first vowel there, that is what? Apple. So let's read underneath each picture. Apple, cat, sun, grass. Which picture did you not hear? You should circle sun. Elephant. We're listening for the S sound on the next row. Elephant. Frog. 10. Bed. What do you hear? Which one does not belong? Correct. Frog. You should circle frog. Inchworm. Okay. Listening for that. Inchworm. Fish. Pig. Dog. Which one should you circle? Dog. We do not hear the E sound. Next row. Ostrich. Okay. Ostrich, turtle, dog, frog. Which one do you not hear the ah? Turtle. Absolutely, circle turtle. And the last one, umbrella, umbrella, duck, bug, hen. Which one should you circle? Hen. Very good. Now flip that page over. This page you will do completely by yourself. Okay, Miss McClaney will not be here to help you with that. Okay, number 1 says use the color key to color the picture. Let's look at that color key at the top. We have apple is blue, elephant is green, inchworm is brown, ostrich is yellow, umbrella is orange. Go and get your crayons or get your crayons out. Pause the video first. Get your crayons. Then come back and hit play and color that picture. Okay? Number 2 says, complete each sentence. My name is, and you are going to put your name there. Number 2, or the second one, my teacher's name is Miss McClaney, and I will write it, and I forgot to get me a pen. Sorry about that. I will write it on the board for you. Or in print, which I would prefer that you write in cursive if you were in my class last year. But there's your answer for the second sentence. Pause the video if you, well, you're going to do this on your own, but you can pause the video right there. I like to eat. Then you put down what you like to eat. I am blank years old. Okay, do your spelling as best you can. Just sound out the words and spell as best you can on that. All right, so you may pause the video. That is end of lesson number 1.